Hello, my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed. How are we enjoying our holidays? Did you guys enjoy Christmas? Did you enjoy Boxing Day? What kind of Christmas presents did you get? I got a whole bunch of Christmas presents throughout the year. So I'm very happy and content. And like I had said yesterday, the biggest present that I have gotten this year really was you guys. And I had put out a poll, and a lot of you had said, Fumi, we really love Sister to Sister, we love story time. And so yesterday I had given you part 1 of the wedding ring, and today we're going to have the conclusion. Yesterday I had talked about how the beautiful Sky and David were so much in love. For those of you that have not watched the first episode, I'll give you a quick recap. They were so much in love. Sky had a wonderful best friend called Robin, and David felt that it was time to propose. And so he got a beautiful engagement ring for Sky. But unbeknownst to David, that wedding ring was not £20,000 as he had assumed. It was 40. Sky had wanted another ring, a rare ring. The ring was rare, and so with the help of Robin, they had coerced together and bought a ring more expensive than what perhaps David could have afforded. For sure, what David knew. But things went awry very soon after that. And so while all three knew that there was perhaps an engagement to take place, it did not take place. And so one evening, Sky and Robin decided to go out for dinner. And that was where Sky was now lamenting to Robin about what was going on. And she was saying to herself, I don't think I want to wait any longer. I don't think I can wait any longer. I mean, what is this? I'm nervous. What is going on? I really love him. He's been distant to me. Of course, we've had 1 or 2 things. I just don't know what is going on. We all do it. We all do it. We go to the bathrooms. We apply our lipsticks. We see the girls along the aisle. We admire their makeup. We admire their jewelry. We admire their rings. And so as Sky and Robin had this fabulous dinner, and they had left their table to come back for dessert, go to the powder room, apply the makeup, that was how they saw another girl by their side wearing the ring that Robin had bought. The exact same ring. There were no 2 rings. That would have been a little bit too of a coincidence. And so Sky said, I love your ring. And she said, thank you, I just got engaged last week. And Sky did not remove her eyes from this woman. And Robin did not remove her eyes from Sky. And said, maybe we should go. And Sky said, maybe we shouldn't. And then she said, and who is the wonderful guy? What's his name? Are you excited? And she said, yes. I'm super excited. His name is David. It's a very sticky situation. And if you are asking me what I would have done, I would have been that upset. I would have been that brokenhearted. And I would have said, I think that's my ring, and I think you're engaged to my boyfriend. I think I would have said that. Not because I wanted to break her heart, but because there's so much going in that you really have to say it out loud. You just have to say it out loud that, oh my God, what is going on here? And my world has crashed. My world has crashed, and there's anger there because this guy has been lying to me and he's lying to you. And that is my 20,000 you have on your finger, sis. I want that money back. I don't care whether I get it from you or I get it from him. That's how blown up it can be. And so she went on to tell her, I think that you are engaged to my boyfriend. And that engagement ring on your finger was bought for me because I chose it. And my girlfriend here of 25 years bought it. He was supposed to propose to me, of which he has not yet. So I want to know how it's on your finger. She looked at them and said, maybe we need some pictures. And Sky brought out the picture of herself and David, of which the other girl also brought out a picture of herself and David. In actual fact, it was the same man. She called him, he didn't pick up.
The number you have dialed has been changed.
And the woman also called her fiancé, and he did not pick up. What was to be done? The woman said, I've got to go. I cannot stay here in the woman's bathroom in this fabulous, beautiful restaurant where my dreams have been shattered. I don't know who you are. I don't know whether you're some crazy ex-girlfriend, but I've got to go. And so she left. And so Robin and Sky stayed right there in the bathroom, where Sky just broke down in tears because she did not know about the relationship, but she knew that they were having problems. And now she kind of understood why they were having problems. They had dated for a year, and that was when he decided, let me take it to the next step, of which Robin now was a huge part in getting the ring. But a year and a half had gone on from there. And so it's most probable that that was the time perhaps he met this other woman and he started dating her. And of course, a year with her, engagement 6 months in. The situation now was she had to tell David the truth. I don't know what's happening. I want my ring back. I want my money back. I hate you. All of this. And so she went to his house. And she stayed there until whenever he was to come back. But he did not show up. She was forced to go home. He did not pick up the phone, and of course it was beginning to look really obvious that he wasn't going to pick up the phone because he knew that she knew that he was dating somebody else and he was proposed to somebody else. And so when she finally got him on the phone,
hello?
She said, what is going on? And he said, the relationship is over. I am sorry for the way that it happened, but now you know. And she said, well, you owe me £20,000. And he said, where do I owe you £20,000 from? And so she let him know that she had given Robin an extra £20,000 to buy that ring. And David said, but Robin did not tell me this. You did not tell me this. I have the receipt. I don't owe you any money. You're just being vindictive because our relationship has fallen awry. And of course, there has been deceit there. And so this is what you are trying to do to me. There was no evidence. And so they brought Robin into the situation. And David asked Robin, and Robin said, yes, she did give me £20,000 and added to the ring. So either we sell the ring and we get what we can out of it. I give you your £20,000 and whatever we get, that goes to Sky. It's a loss. Of which David said, absolutely not. I'm not giving you anything at all. I never knew about the £20,000, and as far as I am concerned, it only confirms for me that you were not the one. Who goes out there and add money to a ring. Why would you do that? As if I would never know. I understood where it came from. Guys do it all the time with their assistants. Go and buy me this. Go and get me this for their girlfriends. It's nothing new. But that was how it all turned out, my loves. She lost the love of her life. And she also lost £20,000 in a ring that she never got, because she didn't want the first ring that he would have most probably offered. What is the lesson here? Like I said yesterday, I'll say it now. To me, it's not the ring. I would have gone with anything he had offered. Because when you build together, you can get another ring. You can get a bigger, better ring for your first anniversary, second anniversary. You could have traded it in and gotten another one. I would have been happy that I have now found the love of my life that I will forge through in this world called life and have children with and become a mother, become a grandmother, to have built this family. It would not have been dependent on that wedding ring. It would not have been dependent on the wedding ring. That was the first mistake. I think that he should have gone out and bought the ring himself with the assistance of Robin. Robin was the go-between. Robin had nothing to do with this. She complied to both friends, her loyalty being to her girlfriend Sky. But that's how it goes sometimes, because you want to flex for the gram. You want to show off. You want it to be this thing. And now here you don't even have the man. And like I have said, I know how these streets are. This is vicious. And this is a true story that happened. So, ladies, be careful out there. All right? I hope you enjoyed the Sister to Sister story time. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, to hit the notification button, my darlings. And like I mentioned yesterday, this fabulous wig is by Stella. She sells them. Yep, she does my hair. And she bought a whole bunch of fabulous wigs for me when she came to cornrow my hair. I absolutely love it. I haven't ever worn anything like this. And I really do love it. I just love these bags. Okay, my darlings. So I will put all of her details also below. I'll put her Instagram link below as well, so that you can let her know that Fumi sent you. Discount code Fumi. And continue to enjoy your Christmas holidays, my darlings. All of my love. Mwah.